Well, hello. This will be the best thing you're ever gonna watch on Stellar Energy Explain Everything by me. And that is a solar flare in the background. Well, hello. So, this is a table graph and where I got all the data from. So, right here is all the data. If you can't tell, there's an A to a B all the way down to L to M. And this is the data from right here. And the data shows that A to B, L to M, and so on and so forth are all the same. Even the F to G and G to H are the same. And the graph can show that too because it goes up to the peak and then down to the bottom. Alright, so this is another kind of graph. So if this line right here is HR 8799, which is a solar system way out far from our solar system, and this line, if you can't tell, is the sun. And this, the HR 8799, is the sun for that solar system. The highest peak is all the way up here at the top for the HR 8799. This is the sun peak. If you can't tell, if you can get a sunburn from right here, then you can definitely get a sunburn from up here, because it emits way lot more energy and power or radiation rays than the sun does. And then the HR 8799 has more energy than the sun because it's, I think, twice as big than the sun. So this method was the best way for me to learn this chapter. So if you can't tell already, the sun is right here, and this is in December, where we get less sunlight than usual, and under the equator, so like where Australia is, they get more sunlight. They basically almost have, Antarctica has sunlight for 24 hours. But then in June, the North Pole, or up here, has sunlight for 24/7. And then down here in September, it's an equinox, which is it varies. And then March is another equinox. Well, I guess in September it's darker, and in March it's lighter in the seasons. So this statement, if you want to call it that, describes, since I guess the Earth is farthest from the sun in wintertime. That's why it's colder, snowier, and darker. Gets darker faster. This quote, if you want to call it, or statement, or whatever, is a way to show that the winter can drop just a bunch of different things on the ground. Say this is snow. It's just sprinkling all down through the ground. And then say this is the ground. And it all hits the ground and it covers the ground. And the snow is frozen rain, if you didn't know. And that statement today was, sure, a cold winter day is kind of what's going on around here right now.